To decorate, we prefer flowers. Beautiful flowers. Many of us love flower. But how much love do we feel for it? If we love something, we should let them grow. We should let them live. We should let them be as they want to be. If we don't pluck flower for our decorations and all, nobody will come to you and will say, no, I will not come in your ceremony, or I will not come in your marriage because you are not decorating it with flowers. If we don't pluck flower, nobody come and kill us. They might say that this doesn't look good. Only for that looking good thing, we just snatch the life and we just decorate it like it's a mess. For me, do you have any idea like how many flowers are being snatched or killed or plucked insensitively from their own roots? People who are got mentally shocked or trauma, or they have shaken from their root, they can understand, they can relate it. Because this is the small little things that makes us human. Many people will say that, has she gone mad? Like she is talking about a flower only? But it's not only about flowers. Flowers doesn't have mind, they cannot think. But the energy what we are growing, we are behaving with others, it makes us. So I am indirectly talking about our own self. That the energy is inside us who is telling us to pluck the flower, to just deroot them from their own home, from their own body, and just pluck it and decorate it with this beautiful, just to show people, just to impress someone, just to impress the society. To decorate, we prefer flowers, beautiful flowers. We give so much of attention to the beauty thing, but not concerning about and not at all thinking how that beauty cost us. Not in money, but in emotional way. That is why this is the reason of small little inhuman acts. That is why this is the present condition of mind, that no one is mentally fit, because our own karma. We do inhuman act then and there every day without thinking, without considering it in any way. We don't want to understand and we will not understand, because this is a very small little thing, and this kind of thing, who will take care of it? But that is how we are taking care of our mind. Whatever we behave, that reflects our mind condition. In this age, nobody is 100% perfect, because in genuinely we are not doing, our karma is not balanced. When we pluck flowers, we directly snatch and spoils its beauty. A flower is healthy, happy, hearty, and it's beautiful when it connects with its root, like human. When we are happy with our family, when we are in our own soil, we feel happy. When we are being snatched from our roots, we don't feel good, we die. That's the same thing happens with a flower. But it's just the thing that we need to think in that way. We don't think in that way. But now I'm telling you this because I also felt in this way. So, I also love flower, but I don't pluck them. I buy tubs with their whole system and I just let them be as they want to be. I like to decorate my house, I like to decorate my surroundings and all, but I surround them with my energy, with my thoughts, with the other things, what doesn't cost a life. So that is the thing, that's a very simple thing, that this is the message from this video from MAHA Shivasthitaa. If we go deep, if you think deep, if you can feel deep with your senses, if you can grow your sense, you can understand it's an inhuman act. With our little action, this world will be heaven once more.